Hey guys, my name's Alaina
And I'm Aryan.
Today we're going to be showing how to make giant bubble. First we're going to introduce our required ingredients, such as first we're going to need some very nice water, dish soap or washing up liquid. We're going to need some baking powder.
We're going to need some string, but only cotton string because plastic string won't work.
We also need some glycerin. You can find them in the pharmacy or the food section in a supermarket.
And you may need some wands. You can buy these from pound shop, or if you can't afford it or you don't want to waste money, you can just find sticks and use the sticks to do it. But Mr Yazdan, he's going to show us how to do it without sticks.
Hi everyone, I'm not going to use sticks. As you know, I'm so professional, I'm a skilled person. So while them two are going to show you how to mix this ingredient to make a very nice bubble solution. Same times, next to them, I'm going to show you how to just use the string without any wand or stick to make your bubbles. Yeah, so let's start. Okay, Alaina is going to show us how to make solution. First, 1 liter of water. Yes, all of it. Right, 2 to 4 tablespoons of baking powder. I don't measure, my audience know me, so let me do this. So that's 1, 2, I do 3. We need to mix this. Did we bring the stir? Okay, come on, stir it with the spoon. Forgot to bring the spoon.
This is weird.
And glycerin. Well, how many spoons? 3. Let's see. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, mix them, please.
We're going to need around 1 meter of this cotton wool string. So let me just cut that.
For the one, you're gonna place them on the floor and right. You can still feel this around. So this is 780 milliliter inside this. So we're gonna use a third of it, which is like around 250. So up to here. Empty that place inside, but don't stir it too hard, otherwise it's gonna make foam.
Okay, so first the smaller string will be at the top, just to line, and then the bigger string here will be like a triangle shape, and you put something heavy at the bottom here. And as you can see, we found a rock, so we tied the string to the rock there. As you can see, we have tied the knots here, and then now I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's opened. You can
That's
see it's
so
very
big.
big, and we need this rock so it will pull it down when we put it in the liquid.
I have put in 250 milliliters of dish soap or washing up liquid in the bowl to make the solution. Make sure to stir it gently, otherwise it will bubble up and that won't be good for the solution.
So when you make the solution, it's the best to leave it for at least 1 hour to settle to get a better result. Even over the night, 24 hours, even better result. We don't have much time, so we're gonna play football a little bit here, and then we go back and test it, show it how it works. Ready guys? Let's play.
Yeah.
Come on, pass it. So in a cloudy and not windy day is much better. The wind and the sun will burst your bubble quicker. So if you didn't have the wand or stick, you can just use the string like this, triangle, okay? And dip it all the way in. Take it out. Woo!
Wow.
It's
Whoa,
amazing.
look at that.
You see, Aryan, how you do it?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching our video.
Don't forget to share and subscribe. We're gonna go now. Bye.